In today's video, we're comparing two popular treadmills to help you make an informed decision on which one might be the best fit for your home workout routine. We're looking at the Sperax treadmill and the SupeRun under desk treadmill, basing our comparison on online reviews and feature comparisons.
Let's dive into the details to see which treadmill takes the lead.
When it comes to design and space efficiency, the Sperax treadmill shines with its 2-in-1 folding feature, making it highly suitable for small spaces. It's praised for being low profile, easy to use, and safe, especially in apartments with limited space. On the other hand, the SupeRun under desk treadmill is celebrated for its compact design and ability to slide under beds or desks, offering a convenient storage solution for those with minimal space. In terms of performance, the Sperax treadmill offers a wide speed range up to 6.2 miles per hour, making it ideal for users looking for a more vigorous workout. It's noted for its smooth and quiet operation, even at higher speeds. Conversely, the SupeRun treadmill with its upgraded 2.5 HP motor provides a quieter experience perfect for discrete workouts in shared spaces. Although its maximum speed is capped at 3.8 miles per hour, it's highly appreciated for its sturdy and reliable performance. Connectivity and additional features are another area where these treadmills differ. The Sperax is equipped with a multifunctional LED display for tracking workouts and a remote control for convenience.
Meanwhile, the SupeRun stands out with its compatibility with the Fitbit app and Apple Watch, offering a modern approach to tracking fitness and finding running buddies online, enhancing the social aspect of working out.
Reviewers have shared their experiences with both treadmills, highlighting the Sperax for its simplicity, quiet operation, and value for money. It's especially recommended for brisk walking in small spaces. The SupeRun, on the other hand, is praised for its quietness, sturdiness, and compact design, making it a powerhouse for daily walks. Both treadmills have proved to be great additions to home workout routines, offering different strengths to cater to various user needs.
That wraps up our comparison of the Sperax treadmill and the SupeRun under desk treadmill. We hope this has helped you in deciding which treadmill might be the best addition to your home gym.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below sharing which product you prefer and why. Your feedback is valuable to us in the community. Check out the product links in the description for more details. See you in the next video.